CCTV that shows Hyderabad police had been waiting inside Sandhya Theatre. This as the police has been claiming all along that they had told the actor that the actor should not come to Sandhya Theatre and there could be a law and order situation. But what exactly does this footage indicate? Is there more than what meets the eye? Is it a larger conspiracy against Allu Arjun? Aneri.
Well, Suesha, the CCTV footage which very clearly shows the timing and the movement when Allu Arjun was coming out as to how the crowd were tried and gather near Allu Arjun at the time when Allu Arjun was coming out. Remember when Allu Arjun was coming out, before that itself, the police officials had tried and informed Allu Arjun's team, Allu Arjun, that over the incident, over the death of the woman there, but then Allu Arjun did not come out is what they are being claiming. And later, after the DCP went and informed, that is the time when Allu Arjun came out, and following which we saw that how there was a huge crowd and how the bouncers of Allu Arjun, the security personnel of Allu Arjun, tried to push away all of them following a huge gathering. And that's the reason why we also see that how there has been a claim by the police officials that that Allu Arjun did not come out when he was informed. Later, after some time, it took some time for him to come out is what the police is claiming. So definitely a lot of things which have been going on. On one side, we see that the police officials have been saying that they are investigating into the matter. And also on the other side, we have been seeing how there is a political face-off as well.
Oh, yes, absolutely. And we quickly shift our focus to the political war of words. That has now taken a whole new turn, how 6 people who were accused of vandalizing Allu Arjun's property. Before we play out those responses, Aneri, important to understand how this face-off between the Hyderabad police and Allu Arjun is escalating, because the Congress is on the defensive. They're saying that it is a law and order matter and the police is reacting as they are and they should be doing. However, it is the BJP and the BRS that are also taking on the Congress, saying that Allu Arjun is being targeted. How is the CCTV footage linked to this?
Well, Suesha, what we have been seeing is that the BRS and the BJP have been questioning the Congress government since the time Allu Arjun was arrested. They had questioned Revanth Reddy, and also right now also after the protests that had taken place at Allu Arjun's residence, also we see that how the BJP has been hitting out at the Congress government because we had seen that one of the protesters seemed to be having a Congress link over this whole protest which had taken place. But now also at the same time, when we talk about the CCTV, the timing, and a lot of questions now being raised over the police officials, because on one side we see that the police in the beginning had said that they did not get any sort of information from the theatre management or from the Allu Arjun's team over the arrival of the actor at the theatre. But then later, also on the day of arrest of Allu Arjun, we had seen how the police officials had come out with a statement saying that they had received a letter from the Sandhya Theatre in the inward section, whereas there was no verbal communication from the management. And later we had seen that how the police officials, coming in their defense, they had come out with a letter stating that they had informed the police official, they had informed the Sandhya Theatre management over there would be a huge crowd and that it would not be possible to control the crowd, and that's the reason there is no permission for Allu Arjun and the production team to come at Sandhya Theatre. So definitely a lot of flip-flops from the side of the police as well. But now the CCTV footage also talks a lot of things as to the police has been claiming that they had went and informed Allu Arjun, who was inside the theatre watching the movie there, over the incident that had taken place. But then despite that, Allu Arjun did not come out. And later, after the DCP went and informed about the seriousness of the matter, after which we see after a long time, after it took some time for Allu Arjun to come out of the theatre, is what the police is claiming.
Absolutely. And Aneri, we continue to track the story closely because in context of what we are speaking, it is important to put out those political reactions where the BJP and the BRS taking on the Congress. In fact, BJP put out several tweets to this effect, saying that Allu Arjun did not support the Congress in its campaign, and that is the very reason he's being targeted. They're calling this a state-sponsored incident. Let's listen in to those responses.
Bharatiya Janata Party Telangana condemns this kind of attack on the people, whether a celebrity or non-celebrity on that. We are very clear. No one should attack the house, because there will be elder people, there will be children, there will be ladies on that, there will be working, there will be doing something in that house, and going and then attacking is not acceptable. We condemn on that. As far as this specific episode is concerned, why the Congress party, Revanth Reddy's government is witch hunting the film personalities, whether it is Nagarjuna or whether it is Mohan Babu or whether it is Allu Arjun. This kind of episode will really make the people scary about living in Telangana. As we know that our Tollywood with great difficulty